It's been ages since I have worn red lipstick and I can't recognize myself.
What a wonderful world.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because something I've never done on my channel. So basically I'm going to shop from the best sellers on Amazon. If you don't know this already, Amazon has a very dedicated list of best sellers of different categories and subcategories. It's actually pretty vast. So I thought, being an Amazon lover, it'll be really fun to actually shop from the best on Amazon and also share my haul, review it for you guys and all of that. So if you are interested in seeing what all I get from the Amazon best sellers list, and also if they're actually worth being bestsellers, then please continue watching. You guys can see there's a bestsellers category here. Going to click that, and this is the default category, which is books. So I think I'll get one thing from at least like 4 to 5 categories. Since we have books here, let's go with books. The top 3 you can see. I've always wanted to get Ikigai. Maybe now's the time. I have both of these. Alchemist, another book that I really want to read. I do have this now, so I don't need to buy it. I already have read this. I think I'll be getting Ikigai. It looks so aesthetic as well. I always check the reviews because I find it super helpful. May disappoint, dependent on readers' expectation. It answers questions about what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs. Disappointing, a glossy magazine attempt at understanding Ikigai. Okay, this is on hold. Let's look at grocery and gourmet foods. I also don't want to try stuff that I've already bought, like for obvious reasons. There's no point buying Maggi and trying it out. I'm going to check pasta and noodles. Maggi, yippee. Arey, ye sab to sabne khaya hai. Maggi cheese, macaroni, pasta. This looks interesting. Okay, I think I'm going to add this into my cart. Let's check out the beauty category. Oh god, I definitely don't need Dettol and Pierce. The Wow shampoo. It's #1 bestseller in shampoos. Wow. Every time I've tried a new shampoo or conditioner, it's never worked for my hair. I am sort of getting bored of using the same Mamaearth shampoo for the past 2-3 years. Okay, I think I've made up my mind. I'm going to go for both the conditioner and the shampoo. The reviews seem too good to be true. It seems like paid reviews, but I hope it's not. Yeah, either ways, I will be adding it to my cart just so that I can actually give you my honest review. Probably try it out in one of my future vlogs, so stay tuned for that. Let's go for clothing and accessories. Some of them are so freaking tacky. It's just... I really like this top, even though it looks like something that I already have. Whoa! It has 2 holes. Thank God I checked the reviews. Not happy, not recommended, not value for money. Excellent, got different size, very poor quality, faulty piece. So yeah, I think I'm going to give this one a skip. Okay, I don't think I'm getting any clothes as well because I'm sort of disappointed. Like, many of the best sellers just have horrible reviews and I wouldn't be at peace if I buy it. I don't think we should be completely dependent on all the reviews. But yeah, some of them had really bad reviews, which is why I don't feel comfortable. Office products, yes. I think it's time to get some new stationery. This is so cute. Oh, it's a bullet journal, calendars, planners, and personal organizers. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, guys, this was a mistake. I literally just want to buy all of this now. This is so cute. Sadly, this doesn't have any review. 52 sheets. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so I have decided to get this. I'm just going to cross my fingers. I think I'm also going to end up getting the Ikigai because I know I have a good feeling about this. I might do like a mini review on my Instagram, so follow me there. Once I do get this book and finish reading it, I will be updating you on my Instagram. Let's go to jewelry. Tacky. Oh, I like this hairband. It's pretty simple actually. This hairband is pretty cute, and after watching so many K-dramas, I really want to try out more hairbands because it's completely like Korean fashion and the reviews are pretty good. Maybe I should get another color. This is so cute. Oh my god. I love this. Okay, I'm adding it. Even this looks so cute. Anyways, they have a 30 days return policy, so if I don't like them, I will just return it. Oh, I really wanted some stickers and I really like Alicia Souza's doodles. Oh my god, these are so cute. Wow. Okay, definitely getting this. It's 530 bucks. It's okay. So I'm going to add this also into my cart. Whew, that was fun. I can't wait to get all of these. I'm pretty sure I will receive some of them by tomorrow or in 4 days or even after a week. So I will see you guys once I receive all the product. Okay guys, so this is 1 week later and I have all the stuff with me. So I'm very excited to share all of this with you. Of course, I got all of them at different times. So let's begin in that order. The first thing I received is this Ikigai book. The very next day itself, I received the book. So it was super fast delivery and I'm more impressed with the quality and the feel of the entire book. This is easily the prettiest book I own in my bookshelf. I'm not the best person to explain the texture of the book, but just know that it feels great, and I actually missed how a hardcover book feels since I am reading a lot on my Kindle, so this is a welcome feeling. And yeah, I can't wait to get into this. I haven't started reading, but I did take a little peek, and they're like cute illustrations inside. Of course, by the looks of it, I can't really say that this was worthy to be on the bestsellers list. So yeah, I will read this and update you guys on my Instagram, so make sure you are following me there. The second thing that I received is this Wow conditioner and shampoo. So shocked by the packaging because it's so good. It actually feels pretty premium. I haven't opened this really, so let's open it for the first time. Oh, even the bottle looks so cute. I love this. Can't wait to use this. I will be using this later and updating you guys either on Instagram or YouTube whether this was actually worth being on the bestsellers. The next one is something I was so freaking excited to get, and I'm so glad it was right there on the bestsellers list. And this is the sticker book by Alicia Souza, and look how cute the cover is, and it's like a booklet form. It's A5 size. This also came with this really cute note, and yeah, it just has like the cutest freaking stickers, and they're not just cute, they're also super useful. So I'm just glad that it's not all looks but also functionality wise it works. I am extremely happy with this purchase. Definitely a big thumbs up, and this deserves to be on the bestsellers list. Next we have these two hair bands that I had ordered, and they're both from a company called Vogue Fashion, if I'm not wrong, on Amazon. So happy with how they look. The first one is this really cute and chic blue, white and grey checkered headband, and it has a front knot like this. I'll actually wear it and show you guys. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's so retro, and I also love how this fits perfectly because normally headbands either are too tight for me or super loose for me, and this just fits right and it's very comfortable. It's not, you know, those headbands that, you know, are a little sharp here and just hurts your freaking skull. Thankfully this doesn't do that. It's thick enough and it's also good quality, so I can't wait to use this and sport this in my future looks. The second headband again looks super cute. It's this blush pink color and it's pleated. It has this black shiny detailing in the middle which makes the pink stand out a bit and make it look a bit fancier. I will show how this looks on my head. Literally the same as the grey one. This might be a tad bit loose, but like not uncomfortably so where I am like, God, this is gonna fall off. It won't fall off. Headbands have never worked really well for me in the past, but somehow these headbands fit perfectly, and now I know why they were on the bestsellers list. Also, I completely forgot to share the Maggi pasta that I had ordered. I don't know how I missed out on it, but yeah, I did receive it and I still haven't tried it. I'll probably try it in a future vlog of mine, so stay tuned. Lastly, we have this, but I haven't opened it yet because I just received it today. This is that to-do notepad or planner thing that I had gotten. Okay guys, moment of truth. This is exactly what I expected. It's a planner pad and it is A5 in size. I mainly got this to write down my to-do list. I think I'll open the seal so I can feel the paper. I somehow expected it to be a little more thick material, but doesn't matter because anyways you have to tear it off. Quality of the print and all is pretty good. They do have 50 sheets and every sheet has an individual grid for every day of the week, and it also has this last section for the notes. Yeah, I'm pretty happy and I love the color. It just goes with my entire vibe. This also deserves to be on the bestsellers list. I will be linking all of this in the description box, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in buying them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give this a big thumbs up, and also let me know if you'd like to see another part to this video where I'm shopping for more bestsellers from different categories maybe this time. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then make sure you are subscribed and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I do upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.
What a wonderful world.